You find out.
Open it up. What does it sound like?
Squeeze it. More coins, I bet.
Okay.
Oh no,
More coins.
Woo.
That's one way to do it.
There might be some chocolate in there.
Okay, put that one off to the side. Empty egg. Just put it next to you. Grab another egg.
We might have to go inside and do this.
I want some chocolate.
Where'd the egg go?
It's silly egg.
Is it a silly egg? Let's see.
Silly egg.
That's a silly grinning egg. Oh!
Guess what was in there?
Chocolate eggs.
Chocolate.
Chocolate eggs.
What?
Right next to you.
Oh, next to. Oh, next.
You can just leave those to the side too. Open up that purple silly egg. Money.
Money is a cool one.
You take money to the store and then you can buy something.
Buying something?
Yeah.
Oh, and is there a big blue egg in there?
I don't know.
Find that big egg that's in there. Isn't there a big purple egg? Oh, there's a Elmo egg.
There's something in Elmo. Open them up.
Nope. The house.
Wow.
More eggs.
Let's see about. Oh.
Now open it.
There we go.
There it is.
Is that chocolate?
Oh no, it's lots of chocolate.
Oh, yes.
Look at all that chocolate.
I love the Easter Bunny. Do you like the Easter Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and is there a big egg in there?
Oh, this is big. What?
What is that?
No.
You don't
Are
know?
those a sushi chefs?
Oh my gosh.
Little Mater sushi chef? That's how he got the wasabi on his tongue.
Isn't that cool?
Sushi.
What are those things?
I know.
Sushi.
Sushi.